So, yo, what's up guys? It's me again, Angelo Nightcrawler, and welcome again to another horror game na naman tayo. Siyempre, isa pa rin ang ating company na lalaruin, ang indie developer A Gaming Plus by Igor Migun. So, plus ba yun? O, tama lang na mabasa ko. So, Reporter 2 na tayo. So, yung Reporter demo, hindi natin malalaro yung buo. So, demo na light pa. So, ito naman is Reporter 2 na light. So, siguro ito ay mas buo. So, hindi natin siya pwedeng i-continue. Okay na yan. Good na tayo dyan. So, let's play. So, sagad na ba tayo? Sagad na? Ayan. Ayan. Ambience pa lang. Dating pa lang niya guys talaga. Dating pa lang niya. Talagang. Ayan. Good na tayo dyan. So, siguro ibanda natin dito. Dahil hindi natin makikita ang mga nakalagay sa gilid dyan. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Ano to? Sadako? Oh, galing yung ano nila. Animation nila Sadako. Oh, pucha ragis. Galing. Ganda yung ano nila creation nila. Ah, grabe. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. Kina. Animation pa lang. Wow. That was so impressive. Wow.
What the hell? This nightmare is haunting me again. Hopefully Stas will call soon. He should find out something. It's likely to be him. We need to pick up the phone.
Okay. Wow. Grabe. Saan yung cellphone? Saan? Uy, smooth yung galawan natin, oh. Hindi kagaya nung una, pahirapan. Where's that phone? Is there a phone? Huwag mong sabihin, nandito yung phone. Wala. Holy shit. Kailangan natin hold to. Ganun. Saan ko sasagutin nyo? Umaga pa lang naman eh. Hello?
Hello, Stas. I'm so glad to hear you. Do you recognize me? Oh, come on, I'm all ears.
Yes, I do. Now, it's not easy. I have not so much time to tell you everything in details. The girl you're looking for has gone missing in the Golden Dolphin Hotel.
Okay.
To one version, she was killed by her stepfather. Under the other one, she's gone for a walk in the hotel territory and didn't come back. The state police weren't really excited
Grabe.
to find out the truth on this case, and therefore, as usual, they charged and convicted her stepfather and got it over with. Result, she was sentenced to death. She died on the electric chair 2 weeks later.
Oh my god.
The eyewitnesses reported that before his death, he kept repeating, "If no one stops her, many people will die." That's it for now. I think you should pay a visit to this hotel. Maybe on there you can talk to the staff and find out some details. Well, I don't need to tell you what to do. You know better. You're not a little boy. I just did what I could.
Okay.
Well, okay, Stas. Thank you.
Okay. Good. So,
Wait, don't forget the camera, or the police will make you look crazy. They need proof.
Okay, keep in touch when I'm come back.
holy shit. So, hanapin natin camera. So, umaga pa lang naman eh, no? Umaga pa lang naman. So, hindi naman nakakatakot. Ay, labas oh. Ay, hindi. Reflection pala yun. Okay, nagsisimula na ang katakutan. Wait. Linaw. Linaw, go. Oh my God, nagsimula na. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Why I even playing this? Wala ba tayong flashlight? Huwag mo sabihin na habulin tayo nun. Holy shit.
I have crippling depression.
NANI?! Nope.
Mamma mia. Here we go again. My. Hindi ka ba maglakad mo? Dahan-dahan lang. So, nawala siya. So, nag-iwan siya ng note. Ganun talaga. Normal lang yung sa horror game. Okay. Unpickable? What do you mean unpickable yan? Kinakabahan ako, guys. It's starting to be. So, ang dilim. Ano ba to? Grabe. Hoy, kala ko may daanan pababa. Hindi ako bababa dun. May daanan dyan. So, wala naman na. Uy, kung tatakbo. Mamaya tayo tatakbo kung hahabulin tayo. Siguro wala namang habol sa atin dito. Yun na ayaw ko sa horror games. So, gano'n naman talaga. Welcome to Chili's. Anybody there? Anybody there? So, wow, literal, wala akong nakikita. Wala naman. Holy shit, wala akong nakikita, literal.
What the fuck was that?
Ano yun? Checking left and right. Fishy. Checking photos. Walang katuturan. Wala tayong susi. Wala tayong susi. Wala tayong susi. Wala tayong susi. Labas. 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 Please. Please, labas. Oh. Nakakahinga ako ng maayos. Nakakahinga ako ng maayos. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Huwag mong gagawin yun. So, kailangan natin maghanap ng susi. Something here? Sa labas? Wala namang ibang daanan dito. Na-check na natin doon. Walang daanan doon. So, wala naman. Hindi tayo makadaan dyan. Oh my god. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Kung na-boring kayo, konti lang ang jump scare, okay lang yun. Dahil light to, siguro mas matindi yung nilaro kong demo pala, no? Demo pa lang, pinagbigyan na tayo ng devs talaga, no? Sobrang tindi. So, hanggang dito muna tayo. So, thank you for watching. And kung gusto nyo pang laruin ito, dahil wala na akong idea kung saan na tayo dadaan, so siguro mag-interactive tayo ng mga mag-interact tayo sa mga gamit. So, thank you for watching. So, if you want part 2, just like, just share, and kung mag-comment kayo na gusto nyo pa. And hit nyo yung notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga susunod pang videos. Thank you for watching.